Hello children, welcome to your English grammar class. Children, in our today's grammar class, we are going to learn lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is one and more than one. Now children, you have already learned names, naming words, right? And last time we had learned special names also. Now we would see one and more than one in naming words. So let's begin it. When we talk about more than one person, place or thing, we need to change the form. Now children, be very attentive and listen to me carefully. It is written, when we talk about more than one person, place or thing, we need to change the form. Okay? See how. Examples are given here, one and more than one. When we talk about one cat, we say only cat. But when we talk about more than one means it can be 2, it can be 20 also, or it can be 100 also. But when we talk about more than one, we say cats. So here we have added S after T. It is cat and here it is cats. Second, dog. Here when we talk about more than one, it becomes dogs. Balloon. And if it is more than one, it is balloons. Chair and chairs. Pencil. Pencils. You can see here everywhere S is added to make it more than one. Right children? So, be clear and understand that when we talk about more than one person, place or thing, it is not essential that it is only a thing. Okay? We need to change the form. Now see. Let us see another one. The naming words which end with double S, CH, SH, X or O need ES to make it more than one. Now children, earlier we had added only and only S. But here it says that if the naming word end with double S, CH, SH, X or O, you have to add not only S but ES. So see. Dish. It is ending with SH. SH. So it becomes dishes. Here we have added ES. Bench. So it becomes benches. Fox. X is also there. When it ends with X, it becomes foxes. Mango. So O is also there. So it becomes mangoes. Okay, are you getting children? If you listen to my videos carefully, definitely you will understand this concept. Now, this is a note, very important. Some naming words get completely changed while making it more than one. So, how? This one is food. But when we are talking about more than one, it becomes feet. Ox. When it is only one, ox is an animal. So, when it is one ox, we are saying only ox. But when it is more than one, it becomes oxen. Goose. And while changing it into more than one, it becomes geese. So, children, these are some of the rules for making it one and more than one. Now we would see in your textbook. Children, in your textbook, that is lesson number 6 and page number 11, one and more than one. We often add s or es to naming words to show that they are many things. For example, one car, two cars, one desk, three desks, one boat, four boats, one candle, six candles. So, we add s to words like car, desk, boat, candle. Only s. But some naming words are there where we add es. They are when they are ending with s, double s, ch, sh, x or o. So this is bus. So it is only bus, but we are adding es. Okay, bus, buses. Then one glass, double s, one glass. So three glasses here, es is added. One bench, two benches, one brush. You have to see it is sh2. So one brush, four brushes. One fox, three foxes. One mango, five mangoes. So this way, children, in the spelling you have to add es when it is s, double s, ch, sh, x or o. Okay. Now let us move ahead. See, exercise says add s or es to make them many. We have learned, children, when to use s or es. Wall, it becomes walls. Bush, bushes. Tomato, so it becomes tomatoes. Monkey, monkeys. Somewhere you have to add only s, but somewhere, as we have said, you have to add es. Well, you have to see the last letters, okay, carefully. Watch, watches. Kite, kites. Class, classes. Nurse, nurses. Fox, foxes. And branch, it becomes branches. Now children, look at here carefully. D exercise says to change from one to many, we often change f or fe to ves. Now this is another rule for grammar to change it one to many. You have to see that we often change f or fe to ves. Now when it is one knife, we say only knife. But if it is many, we say knives. So, instead of fe, we have used ves and fe is removed. One leaf. So many leaves. Okay? One thief. Many thieves. Everywhere you have to remove fe, f or c. Here f, here fe. One loaf. This is called loaf. Many loaves. One wolf. Many wolves. E exercise says to change from one to many, we often change y to ies. One is done for you. See, when it is one baby, we say only baby. Okay? But when there are many babies, it is babies. Y is removed and ies is added. Lady, ladies. Now one lily. So many lilies. One fairy. Many fairies. One story. Many stories. You can see clearly. You have to remove y from here. When it is last one, you have to remove y from here and you have to add IES. Okay? And F, let us learn these forms. Now here they are called irregular forms. They are completely getting changed. Man. So it is called man. M-A-N, man. M-E-N, man. Children, children. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Woman, it is called women. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen. So children, what is the rule for these forms? There is no rule. They are called irregular forms. Okay, you have to just remember that these are the forms. They are called irregular and there is no such rule that you have to see the last letter. Okay. So you have to just learn these forms and you have to be very careful how to change it into more than one. So here children, our tutorial gets over and very soon you will receive the answers also. Okay, thank you.